In this video, I'll show you how jQuery can change text and style instantly, just one line per action. So let's have a look at what's happening here. If I click on this button that says change text, it changes the text. And then when I click on the second button which says change color, the color of that font also changes. So let's have a look at the code. Now for the HTML code, we have two buttons with IDs and a div. So nothing special at this point. But let's have a look at the jQuery file. Now we have something called the text method. And what it does is it replaces the text inside the element. So whatever that was there will be replaced with this text that says text changed with query. So if I refresh the file, it comes back to the original text that came from the HTML file that says this text will be replaced with whatever's coming as an argument in the text method. So you don't really touch HTML here because jQuery will handle it all for you. And then we also have another method called CSS. And what it does, it will change the CSS property instantly. So in that case, the property that we wanted to change is color, and the value is this teal color. So it will change from that purple color to this teal blue color. So the original color is really coming from the CSS file. So that's it. Content and style changed with just one line each. And really, this is great for alerts, messages, and UI feedback. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.